Okay, logarithmic functions, exponent rules. Review. Any number with a 0 exponent is equal to 1. So 3 to the 0, 1. 5 to the 0, 1. X to the 0, 1. Really, as long as x does not equal 0. C to the 0, 1, as long as c does not equal 0. Any number with a negative exponent is a fraction, so 7 to the minus 2 is 1 over 7 to the positive 2. 3 to the negative 3 is 1 over 3 to the positive 3. 1 over 36 can be thought as 1 over 6 squared. Okay, so 7 to the minus 2, 1 over 7 squared is 1 over 49. There's your fraction. 3 to the minus 3, 1 over 3 squared, that's 1 over 3 to the third is 27. 1 over 36 is equal to 1 over 6 squared. So I guess they want you to go to the other direction here. 1 over 6 squared is 6 to the minus 2. 1 over 8 is equal to 1 over 2 to the third power, which is equal to 2 to the negative 3. So this is just illustrating how you can go between forms. Any number with a fraction as an exponent is the root of some sort. So 16 to the 1/2, that's also known as the square root of 16. There's actually a little 2 in here, and that equals 4. 64 to the 1/3, that's the third root of 64. So that actually is 64 is 4 times 4 is 16 times 4. That's 64. So this is actually the cube root of 4 to the third, which is equal to 4. And then 32 to the 1/5, fifth root of 32. 32, as you all know, is 8 times 4. 8 is 2 to the third, and 4 is 2 to the second. So together it's 2 to the fifth. So 32 to the 1/5 is the fifth root of 32, which is equal to the fifth root of 2 to the fifth, which just equals 2. If you plug these things into a calculator, it'll tell you the answer, but that's not the technique we're looking for here. Okay? Definition of the logarithmic function with base b. If x is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0 and b does not equal 1, then log base b of x is equal to y is equivalent to b to the y equals x. So what they're showing you here is logarithms are just basically another way of writing exponents. Log base 3 of x equals 4 is equivalent to, if you look up here, 3 raised to the 4th power is equal to x. Okay? So 3 to the 4th is 9. 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. So 81 equals x is an equivalent to this. But I think they just want you to write it in exponential form. 4 to the third equals 343. So if you have this, then how do you write it? You say log base 4 of the number 343 is equal to 3. So 4 to the third equals 343.